Welcome, gentlemen. Today, we're going to talk about something many of you have likely experienced: the unsettling silence of no contact after a relationship ends. For many, the burning question remains, how do I get her back? How do I make her chase me? But before we dive into tactics, let's ground ourselves in a fundamental truth from the Stoics. We cannot control external events, including the actions or desires of another person. Our focus, therefore, must shift, not to manipulating her, but to mastering ourselves. This isn't about childish games. This is about becoming the kind of man who naturally attracts, not because he's desperately seeking validation, but because he embodies strength, peace, and purpose. Often, no contact is seen as a strategic maneuver to make someone miss you. While that can be a byproduct, for the Stoic, its true purpose is profoundly different. It's not about waiting for her to come back. It's about reclaiming your inner citadel. It's about removing yourself from a situation that may have caused you distress, allowing emotional wounds to heal, and regaining your equilibrium. Think of it as a period of intense self-reflection. Were you overly dependent? Did you neglect your own passions? No contact gives you the space to honestly assess your role in the relationship's dynamic and, more importantly, to reconnect with yourself. This isn't punishment. This is self-preservation and self-improvement. Here's where the Stoic mindset truly separates itself. The desire to make her chase you often stems from a place of attachment and a need for external validation. The Stoics teach us to cultivate indifference to things outside our control. This doesn't mean you don't care. It means you understand that her actions, her feelings, her choices are not within your sphere of control. And clinging to the hope of controlling them only leads to suffering. A more fatty love of fate embrace the reality of the situation. She's not contacting you? Accept it. This acceptance frees you from resentment and frustration. Memento mori, remember you must die. This isn't morbid. It's a powerful motivator. Life is finite. Are you truly spending your precious time agonizing over someone who isn't present in your life? Or are you living fully, purposefully, and aligned with your values? By genuinely internalizing this indifference, you cease to need her to chase you. And paradoxically, that lack of need is incredibly attractive. Now, let's talk about what you can control. This is the core of Stoicism: your actions, your reactions, your character. This is where you become irresistible, not through trickery, but through genuine transformation. First, cultivate virtue. Are you acting with wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance in your daily life? Are you a man of your word? Are you reliable? These are the foundational qualities of an admirable person. Second, pursue your purpose beyond the relationship. What are your passions? Your goals? Your mission in life? Re-engage with them with vigor. Develop new skills, advance your career, pursue neglected hobbies. A man with purpose is magnetic. Third, develop physical and mental fortitude. Take care of your body. Exercise. Eat well. Get enough sleep. A strong body supports a strong mind. And equally important, train your mind. Read, learn, practice mindfulness. Develop emotional resilience. Finally, expand your social circle. Don't isolate yourself. Reconnect with friends and family. Make new connections. A man who is well-connected and enjoys his social life signals abundance, not scarcity. This period of no contact is your opportunity to become the best version of yourself. For yourself. Not for her. But she will notice. So what happens if she does reach out? This is where your Stoic training truly pays off. Remember, you've cultivated indifference to the outcome, but you are still capable of rational and virtuous action. First, respond, don't react. Take a breath. Do not immediately jump into old patterns of desperate communication or emotional outpouring. Respond calmly, politely, and with a sense of self-respect. Second, keep it brief and positive. Your initial responses should be short, pleasant, and focused on what you've been doing without dwelling on the past. Hey, busy but good. Been working on X and Y. No long explanations, no fishing for compliments. Third, focus on your current life. If she asks what you've been up to, share your current endeavors and passions enthusiastically. Show, don't tell that you're thriving and engaged with your life. Fourth, don't chase the conversation. If she wants to talk, she'll continue. Don't bombard her with questions or try to force a deeper conversation. Let her lead and respond with confident brevity. Lastly, maintain your boundaries. If she tries to bring up old arguments or manipulative tactics, politely redirect or end the conversation. Your peace of mind is paramount. I'm not going to rehash that. I'm focused on positive things now. The goal here is not to play hard to get. It's to genuinely be a man who is no longer easily swayed, a man who values his time and peace, and a man who is living a fulfilling life irrespective of her presence. Here's the most powerful aspect of this Stoic approach. You become free from outcome dependence. Whether she chases you or not, your well-being is no longer contingent on her actions. You have invested in yourself. If she does re-engage and a new, healthier relationship forms, it will be built on a foundation of mutual respect and attraction to your authentic, self-possessed self, not on desperation or manipulation. And if she doesn't, you are still whole. You are still strong. You have used this period to become a better man, ready for whatever the universe brings next. True power isn't in making someone do what you want. True power is in mastering yourself, your emotions, and your reactions to the unpredictable currents of life. So, gentlemen, if you're embarking on a period of no contact, or just finding yourself struggling with attachment, remember these Stoic principles. Focus on your virtues. Pursue your purpose. Cultivate indifference to what is outside your control. And when the time comes, if it comes, respond with the calm confidence of a man who knows his worth. Epictetus reminds us, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. Reclaim your power, reclaim your peace, and let your actions speak volumes about the man you've become. If this resonated with you, please like this video, subscribe for more insights, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay strong, stay stoic.